Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 15 Plus, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, we're going to open up our settings and we're going to navigate to Control Center and find the power saving mode, or as it's called right here, low power mode. When you do, you want to click on the plus button. It will get added to your Control Center toggles, which you can access by swiping down from the top right side of your screen, and you can see it right over here. Click on it. It will give you the pop-up low power mode, mail fetching, background app refresh, automatic downloads, and some visual effects are reduced to disable or disabled in a low power mode. So we're gonna click on the confirm button, and there we go. That's our power saving mode. So that's all you need to do to turn it on. Now once you're done with it and you want to just disable it so your device starts functioning as it did before with, for instance, the mail fetching and refresh rate, then just find the toggle once again, tap on it once more, and everything will revert back to its original state. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.